Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we are reviewing a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Rusty During Chevrolet for allowing me time with this vehicle. Please reach out to Evan for all your vehicle needs. Powering this GMC Sierra is the 3-liter Turbomax diesel engine producing 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. All right, hopping in the back here, more storage in the door. Bose sound speaker or Bose sound system here, carbon fiber throughout. Nice seats. We get this little storage compartment, and we do get more cup holders back here. Really nice. 60-40 split as far as flipping these up. And at the AT4, you do get the heated seats in the back, more USB chargers, and a vent. And as I mentioned, power rear mirror. Let's take a look at the sticker in this one. As you can see here, not much room. We're going to squeeze in here. I'd hate to ding one of these trucks, then I have to buy it. 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. All right, base price on this AT4 is $66,800. This does have the AT4 premium package for $1,545. Gives you the universal home remote, rear sliding power window, off-road high clearance steps, the tech package, which is cool. Gives you the multicolor 15-inch diagonal heads-up display, which is really cool. Bed view camera, power sunroof, all-weather floor liners, Goodyear Wrangler Territory tires, so that is an upgrade into this. So options, also this does have the coastal dune color. We'll talk about that here in a second. Options, $5,150 after destination. Total vehicle price $74,045. You'll see your MPG here also. 21 city, 24 highway, 23 combined. Let's pop this door open real quick. Take a look at the payload. 1434 it looks like. And then you'll see here, here's your drive modes. You get 4 high, 4 low, 2 high in auto, which is great. Here's your heads-up display controls, parking brake over here, and then your auto lights and all that fun stuff. All right, let's see if I can fit through here. Excuse me, a little bit under the weather today. All right, let's talk about this truck. $74,000 with the diesel engine. It's not bad. A little pricey, I will say. There are some incentives. You could probably get a couple grand off this, but super cool truck. Love the AT4. It's kind of that mix between a daily driver and an off-road truck. So if that's kind of what you're into, you need something that you can daily drive, you need something that you want to take on gravel roads, this is probably the truck for you. A lot cheaper than the AT4X, a little bit beefier than the Elevation, which is still one of my favorites. You get the off-road tires. Look at this coastal dune color. I'm pretty sure this is new for 2026. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I have not seen this on a lot yet. So it's really cool. Really cool truck. Let me know what you all think of this. Compared next to this Denali here, let's see what this is. This is a 2026 Denali. So you kind of see your chrome accents, your black GMC logo. This has the 6.2 V8 in it. Denali across. Obviously your Denali, your interior with that brown leather. That's where you get your upgrade there. So this Denali, if we're looking at this, very few packages on this, just the color, honestly. The Onyx Black is the only add-on on this Denali. You get the power side steps. This is all standard. So $87,290 is the MSRP on this truck. So $87,000, top of the line luxury truck. $74,000, kind of your mid-tier off-road / luxury truck. I'm choosing the AT4. I like the look of it better. I like the engine in this particular one. I know you can get that same engine in the Denali. But both trucks are cool. This one, you know, is about 13 grand less. To me, the Denali's not worth the money. Obviously, the interior is where you get the biggest upgrade on that Denali. Here's another 26 AT4 in white. You know, this is definitely one of the most popular selling trucks for GM. You can tell by just looking at the lot how many are on here. And you can also tell by, excuse me, like I said, just the number of AT4s and also the Duramax diesel engine. You find this diesel engine probably in more of these trucks than the V8s. I know you can get the 5.3 V8, the 6.2 V8 has had its issues, but these diesels, man, this Duramax, it's in almost every one of these trucks. We get over here a little bit more. Here's kind of your base SLT. We kind of take a look at the price on this thing. I'm just kind of curious. So this has about 9 grand worth of options, and it's right at 69,000. You know, pretty nice interior, not as nice as the AT4. Like I said, this truck here is only 4 or 5 grand less than this AT4 over here. So, you know, a base AT4 with some options seems like the better deal than this base level SLT. Let's look at one more here, because these GM trucks, they're starting to flood these lots here. Excuse me, and I love the look of them. This is a gray. Let's see what this one is. This does have the 5.3 liter V8. So here's an elevation. This is a really cool looking truck. Love the black wheels. Let's take a look just for reference. So total options, $9,600 worth of options on this truck, $67,000. So as we start looking here, you know, we got an elevation, we got a, you know, we'll call this fully loaded, almost 10 grand worth of options. Fully loaded elevation, fully loaded SLT, semi-loaded AT4, and just your base Denali. 87,000, 74,000, 69,000, 67,000. Which truck are you choosing of these four? I'd be interested to know which one you going with. This base SLT, or I should say high option SLT with the 5.3 liter V8, the elevation with the 5.3 liter V8, or are you getting a Duramax AT4 in this new coastal dune color? If it's me, I tell you right now, I don't want to spend money. I don't want to buy the Denali. I want to save the money and kind of go this AT4 right here with the Duramax diesel. This, out of these 5 trucks here, I'm picking one of these. So as always, thanks for watching. Let me know which truck you prefer of these GMC. Give me the elevation, give me the SLT, give me one of these AT4s, or give me the Denali. As I mentioned, I'm going with this one. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.